Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is PewDiePie. Welcome to PewDiePie's Tuber Simulator. Let's make a video. First, you need a camera. This is the shop. Here's the affordable section. It shows you the stuff that's available for the views you gained so far. It should be called stuff for cheap people, really, but affordable sounds better. Anyway, here, take this camera out of... You can pretty much put it anywhere you could in real life. Time to start making those hard decisions. Really? There? Well, you're the boss. Now, finally, for real, let's make a video. Here you can decide what kind of cool video you want. For now, you can only publish one video at a time, but if you're smart like me, maybe you can find a way around that later on in the game. You probably won't. Just make sure you keep an eye on what's hot and what's not with a sweet trend indicator. Man, that'd be so useful in real life. Select one of the 3 video ideas and watch the magic happen. That's a lot of views. Nowhere near what I get, though. Don't forget to claim the video to get subs. Now, why don't you head down to the shop to see what you can get? You're really poor. Looks like you can only get this cardboard box, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. Now, where will you put your new friend? Now let's wait for the shipping. Wait. Pause. Time out, bro. Are you telling me I still got more than a couple seconds to wait? Jävlar vad fan! This is ridiculous. It's taking way too long. But you can make things ship faster using your bucks. It's basically internet money. Open the shipping menu. In this menu, you can boost your shipping speed, or just use bucks to ship instantly, if you're rich like me. For now, you can only ship one item at a time. Maybe there's a way to upgrade that at some point as well. Wink, wink. I don't know why I winked. There really is a way. Just use your brains. If the thing arrived while you were out pooping or something, don't worry. The item will be here when you get back in the game. Now, it's time to make some fabulous videos on your own. Probably not as good as mine, but good luck and stay awesome, bro. Get ready, get set, you're surfing on the interwebs. Okay, I screwed up the rhyme. Helvete. Anyway, you got a lot of social internet type stuff to do here. I'll explain more in each section. You need to create an account to access the content, so you should get on that. Just remember, especially this section about us having all your social media permissions, definitely skip that part. Thank you. Don't sue me. I want to keep my bucks, please. Thank you. Disclaimer, do not sue PewDiePie.